So I have a Magimix Nespresso machine here, so I'm going to show you how to use it in today's video. So make sure it's plugged in and turned on. What you want to do is ensure the water tank here at the back is filled with water. So just remove the water tank, or you can pour water directly into the water tank by lifting this lid up and pouring it in, or you can just pull it out like so and then top it up directly. So let's put some water in. Okay, so our water's in, so what we're going to do is just place it back in by slotting it into position. Once it's in, it just clicks into place, and now that's secure. Then you want to get your coffee pod. So I have this one here. This is the one I'm going to use. You just lift this lever up, insert your coffee pod into position, press it down once, like so, and then you can either have an espresso portion or more like a full kind of mug. So I'm going to go with a full mug. I'm going to take my glass and place it here. Then we're going to just press this button. Pressing the button once has activated it, so you just want to press it one more time. And there we go. Okay, so we've got our coffee. Now, if you want to kind of release the pod into the trash compartment, you just lift up this lever and you just heard the pod drop down. Now, if you want to remove the trash compartment, it's just here. You just pull this out. And there you go. You can see there is the used pod. If you want to put it back in, you can empty this, put that back in place, slide it back in, and then this is the drip tray, which just slides into position. There you go. So that's how to use the Nespresso Magimix.